Hello, welcome to a beginner tutorial with software design. Today we'll teach you how to create a new document in CorelDRAW. We are using Corel 2021. Double click here. Your CorelDRAW opens. This is it boot section, creating an application, which is done. Then you see your get started, you see your workspace. This is a new document, and then click on it. Click on OK. This has successfully created the working environment, and as you can see, this is your tool section, this is your layout section here, then this is your color section, this is your RGB color here, and this is the CMYK color here. The difference between the CMYK color and RGB colors, these are for print, these are for online purpose. It comes out brighter, while this one comes out brighter when printed. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more of it.